What's up guys, Stevie the Military Biker, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing well out there in YouTube land. Thank you for taking the time out to come and check my my videos out, my stuff as it were. And as you can see, today it's 31 degrees man. Look at that old cool old church. Yeah, it's 31 degrees and it is absolutely boiling. So I thought I'd come out today, you guys, the first opportunity I've had really since moving house, to talk about the SENA speakers that are inside my helmet, the SENA HD speakers. Now, for those of you that have got the normal SENA HD speakers, these just literally plug and play, man. You pull them out, you pull the old ones out, you put the new ones in. Simple as that. Look at that. It's as simple as that, and the difference is phenomenal. It really is amazing. I wish I could show you properly how good these are, but you're gonna have to take my word on it, and that's why I'm doing it while I'm out on the bike, because I think the noise of the bike and what have you over the speakers will help me get it, will help me judge exactly how good they are. And so far so good, man. I've just had the Sporty on the highway, you know, doing 120k an hour, sorry, 110k an hour, and I can still hear these speakers, or the music coming from the speakers, no problemo whatsoever, and it sounds amazing, man. The quality is really cool. It does start to distort top end, you know, like when it's at full volume, full max, which is, you know, they're only little tiny speakers, but it does start, I say distort, not much, I will say that. So it's almost like it's being dampened when it's at top whack, because you can hear it sort of, you can hear bits of the music dropping slightly, certain parts of it, to cover for the fact that you've got it on full volume. But this is all downtown, man. But yeah, they're really good, really good. This down here is Smackhead Central, or as we say in Liverpool, Smackhead Central. Druggies everywhere. However, can't see anybody today. Oh, where are they all? If you're a squaddy and you're watching, that there is the sin bin. You will remember that if you've ever been to Battis. That there is the sin bin, one of the most disgusting places on the planet for a typical squaddy bar or soldier bar where all shenanigans went on. Anyway, bloody hell, back to the speakers, Stevie, Jesus. So, like I was saying, they do distort slightly full whack, but there's not much distortion, I will say that. However, they are slightly bigger or thicker than the previous ones. I've got the SENA 10C Pro that I won off Biker Medic, top bloke, good, absolute legend. The SENA 10C Pro, so it works really good with those. They just fit in, like I said, they just literally take out the old ones, put in the new ones. Jobs are good. But yeah, I mean, let's go. That, if I start shouting, I apologise, because that's on full whack and I can't hear the bike at all. If I go like that, I can slightly hear the bike, but that's coming through crystal clear. Crystal? That's like crystal, but better. Crystal clear. I've got a bit of Kings of Leon on now. I don't know if you can hear that. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, I don't know. Let's see, let me shut up for a minute, you may be able to hear it. I don't know if you can, I don't want to get done for copyright anyway. But yeah, these things are phenomenal, man, they really are cool. So I would, I mean, what did it cost me? 59 bucks or something, like 59 Canadian dollars. Worth every penny, man, I'm telling you now. Worth every bloody penny. I was going to do like a unboxing and all that crap, but what's the point? I can just tell you how good they are. supposed to give you a 50% increase in volume and clarity, and it adds a bit of bass as well to your listening pleasure. I will say you do have to do a bit of an update on your stuff, so you got to update the firmware and the SENA to get it going, and then do a bit of messing around. But just look on YouTube, it's easy. Find somebody on YouTube that's done it. Piece of piss, man, really is. But yeah, so Scouts recommends them. Definitely get yourself a set. If you've got the old set, definitely pay the money to get the upgrade, man. They are 100 million times better than what's in them now, what the original ones are. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend them, definitely. And SENA, if you're watching this, please feel free to comment or send me some free stuff. I like free stuff, everybody does. Whatever, anything you want. But yeah, proper good. So anyway, that was a quick video. Like I said, it's not going to be a unboxing, reviewing, all that fucking how-to shit. This is just me giving you the good news on how good they are, and trust me, they are good. Well worth the $59 I paid, Canadian, by the way, to get these things. But yeah, so that's me. I am Stevie, the military biker. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And something I don't normally say is hit that bell button, because every time I upload, if you hit it, every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified that I've actually got a new video on the go. So guys, appreciate you all. Stay safe, support your troops, and remember, you'll never walk alone.